What if you could start investing and building wealth without needing a finance degree, years of experience, or even understanding complex financial jargon? In 2026, artificial intelligence has made investing accessible to complete beginners in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI tools can guide your investment decisions, even if you're starting from zero knowledge. These are practical strategies that real beginners are using right now to grow their money. Let's get started. Why AI makes investing accessible. When I say no skills, I don't mean you get rich overnight. You just don't need traditional investing expertise. AI handles the complex analysis while you make informed decisions. 5 years ago, successful investing required mastering financial statements, ratios, market trends, and economic news, a steep learning curve that discouraged many. AI changes that. Modern tools analyze reports in seconds, compare hundreds of companies, track market sentiment, and explain everything in plain language. Think of AI as your personal investment analyst. It works tirelessly, translates complex concepts, and adapts recommendations based on your goals and risk tolerance. You're not investing blindly. You're leveraging AI as your guide, teacher, and research assistant, letting you make smart decisions without years of study. AI-powered investment platforms. The easiest way to start investing with zero traditional skills is using AI-powered investment platforms that do most of the work for you, robo-advisors. Robo-advisors like Betterment, Wealthfront, and M1 Finance use AI to build and manage portfolios automatically. You answer simple questions about goals and risk, and the AI creates a diversified portfolio. It rebalances, reinvests dividends, and handles tax loss harvesting. With low fees, 0.25 to 0.5% annually, and starting amounts as low as $500, beginners can set it and forget it while AI manages investments efficiently. AI-powered investment apps. Apps like Acorns use AI to make investing completely automatic. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. Buy coffee for $3.50, and the app automatically invests the 50 cents. The AI determines where to invest based on your goals and risk profile. This approach is perfect for people who struggle to save or invest because it happens automatically without you thinking about it. The AI is constantly working in the background, turning your daily spending into investment contributions. Fractional share platforms. Platforms like Robinhood and Fidelity now offer fractional shares with AI-powered recommendations. This means you can invest in expensive stocks like Amazon or Google with just $10 instead of needing thousands of dollars for a single share. The AI suggests diversified portfolios based on your interests and goals, explains why each stock is recommended, and helps you understand what you're buying without requiring you to become a financial expert. Using ChatGPT for investment decisions. ChatGPT and similar AI assistants are powerful tools for beginner investors who want to learn without formal courses. Start by asking it to explain basic investment concepts in simple terms, like what is a stock, how does it make money, and why do people invest? The AI breaks down complex ideas and answers follow-up questions patiently. Next, use ChatGPT to define your investment strategy based on your age, income, and goals. It outlines options, pros, and cons, and helps you choose what fits your situation. You can also research specific investments like index funds versus individual stocks. ChatGPT provides objective analysis without sales pressure, acting as a 24/7 guide to help beginners make informed decisions and understand investing clearly. If you want more practical AI investing tutorials and strategies, smash that subscribe button right now. I create weekly videos showing you exactly how to use AI to build wealth, even as a complete beginner. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. AI stock screening without expertise. Even if you have zero stock analysis skills, AI can guide you through picking individual stocks. Start with AI screening tools to filter stocks based on simple criteria. You don't need to know complex financial ratios, just describe what you want in plain language. For example, Ask the AI for stable dividend-paying companies profitable for 10+ years, or fast-growing tech firms that aren't overvalued. The AI scans thousands of stocks and gives you a manageable shortlist. Then use ChatGPT to learn about each company, what it does, how it makes money, its competitors, and risks. You can even ask for comparisons like compare company A and B in growth, stability, and beginner friendliness. Many platforms now translate complex analysis into simple explanations, letting you understand why a stock is recommended without digging through financial statements. AI makes stock picking accessible, fast, and beginner-friendly. AI for risk management. One of the biggest advantages of using AI when you lack traditional investing skills is that the AI can identify risks you wouldn't know to look for. Ask ChatGPT, what are the biggest risks of investing all my money in technology stocks? The AI will explain concentration risk, sector volatility, and why diversification matters, all in plain language. Or ask, I'm thinking of investing $5,000 in cryptocurrency. What should I know about the risks? The AI will give you an honest assessment of volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and security concerns without the hype you often see on social media. AI-powered portfolio analyzers can review your current investments and flag potential problems. They might warn you that you're too heavily concentrated in one sector, that your portfolio is riskier than you intended, or that you're paying unnecessary fees on certain investments. This risk awareness is crucial for beginners who might not realize they're making dangerous mistakes until it's too late. The AI acts as a safety net. Automated investment strategies. The ultimate no-skills approach is using AI to automate your investments. Dollar cost averaging lets you set fixed monthly contributions, and AI distributes them across chosen assets, removing emotion and leveraging market fluctuations, selling investments that have grown too large and buying those that have lagged to maintain your target allocation. Advanced strategies like tax loss harvesting are automated too. AI sells losing investments for tax benefits and reinvests immediately. These tools let you implement sophisticated investment strategies without mastering technical details. You simply set your goals, and AI executes them, making professional-level investing accessible to anyone, even beginners, while saving time and reducing emotional decision-making. Getting started today. So how do you actually begin using AI to invest when you have no traditional investing skills? Start by opening an account with a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront. The entire setup process takes about 15 minutes. Answer the questionnaire honestly about your goals and risk tolerance, make your initial deposit, and the AI takes over from there. Simultaneously, start educating yourself using ChatGPT. Spend 15 to 30 minutes daily asking questions about investing concepts you don't understand. Build your knowledge gradually without feeling overwhelmed. Begin with small amounts. Even $50 or $100 per month is enough to start building wealth. The AI doesn't care whether you're investing $100 or $100,000. It applies the same sophisticated strategies to both. Track your progress, but don't obsess over daily fluctuations. Set a calendar reminder to check your investments monthly, not daily. The AI is monitoring everything constantly, so you don't need to. As you gain confidence and knowledge through AI-guided learning, you can gradually take on more active roles in your investment decisions if you want to. Or you can continue letting the AI handle everything while you focus on earning more money to invest, making it easier than ever to start building wealth without traditional skills. It analyzes data, explains concepts, manages risk, and supports long-term strategies. The key is to start, open an account, make your first investment, and learn as you go. Remember, AI helps with strategy, not short-term predictions. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and comment which AI investing platform you'll try first. Start your wealth-building journey today and let AI guide you towards steady growth over time.